I got this clock, a beautiful clock from a junk seller, and this is the machine which came with it. There's one spring which holds the pendulum is missing, and I've got the hour and minute hand and the screw nut. Not in a bad shape, in a very good shape considering the age, made in 1930s. And this is Anglo Swiss watch company, a Swiss national who started his horology in Kolkata back in British times in India. So I'm not gonna retain whatever way it is now. I'm gonna restore this to its former glory. I still don't know how to refurbish this, so I'm gonna give this to a specialist. And I've removed most of the screws from this, so I just need to restore the case with some wood filler and decent wood oil to protect the wood. And I'm not gonna restore the dial, but I certainly wanted to treat the rusting issues what it has. So maybe sandpaper it and spray it gray just to restore it. I still need to find out how to prevent the spray doesn't leak into the dial. Yeah, let's see how this is gonna go. And it's not in a bad shape. The wood looks good. Yeah, let's see how this comes. Let me show you the back side. It comes with the nice window. Yeah, this is something which has come out. I may have to replace it with some vinyls. So I'll keep this as it is to take a template out of it, get some vinyl, and just replace it. Or I just have to remove this, apply some glue, and try reusing it. Yeah. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, need a little bit of sanding, and the good thing is I don't see any worms, wood worms or termites. Okay, let's give it a go. managed to restore clock bezel. I was not sure what was the actual color originally made back in 1930s with the brown wood finish. I thought chrome painting or chrome finish would look good, so I got this chrome spray and sprayed on top of the metal clock bezel. So I gave a good 80 grit sandpaper sanding, then finished off with 100, then sprayed in and out of the bezel and the bezel seal. So it did not give me a shine. It looked like an aluminium finish. This is the closest finish I could get. I will show you after fixing this in the clock case, and let's see, but this has done a decent job and it's cheap to fix. Not bad after all. Yeah, keep watching the videos. Thanks.
एक मिनट आता वेट करना